Good afternoon, Miss Angat. Can you tell me something about yourself?
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Leia Angat, a Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education, undergraduate. I am a Catholic.
How old are you?
I am 30 years old.
Okay. Are you married or single?
I am a single parent.
Okay. If Miss Angat, do you have any working experience as a domestic helper here in the Philippines or abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I have a working experience as a domestic helper for 3 years here in Manila.
Okay. What is your duties as a domestic helper?
I know how to cook Filipino dishes. I can work without supervision. I also know how to wash clothes, ironing clothes, cleaning the house, marketing, and I also know how to take care of children aged 1 year and above. I can do also car washing.
Okay. You know how to car wash. And as you mentioned, you know how to take care of the children, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How do you take care of them?
I prepare their foods, assist them in taking a bath. I also send them to school. I teach them in their homework. I also see to it that they are always safe.
Okay. Miss Angat, if you were given the chance to work as a domestic helper here in Hong Kong, what can you promise to your future employer?
Sir, ma'am, if you will hire me, I promise that I will be a good house helper to your family and I finish my 2 years contract.
Okay. And you will finish the 2 years contract. What about if your employer set your day off? Are you willing to accept it or what?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you will accept what is your employer set about your day off, right? Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Angat, and good luck.
Thank you, ma'am. Hope to see you soon. Bye.